Alright, now you know how to merge your VR180 video. It's time to add in some simple transition like fade in, fade out, so you will look even better on the VR headset. Wow.
Now let's get started. Okay, so as usual, we'll use the free open source software. Okay, for me, right click, run on my NVIDIA processor. Okay, so this software is NVIDIA Max, and let's do the same thing like in the previous video. We append this. Okay, so import my first video. Good. Then now I'll append my second video. Alternative, if you have already merged, you can use the existing video. Depends how your workflow wanna be. So I have append the next video. So as you can see, I have Hello Kitty in the first video, and as usual, Kutetama in the second video. And okay, so now I need to find uh, the frame where I want to put in the transition, the fade in, fade out. So it's around, the end of the video is around 30 seconds. So how do I get the precise timing right? First of all, I will use this button, the next frame. Oh, sorry, it should be this one, these two button. Go to the next frame slowly. Uh, next frame, next frame. Okay, this frame has changed to Kutetama, and the previous frame is Hello Kitty. So Hello Kitty ends at 30 second and 96 millisecond. So I'll take note of it. My video one, okay, my first video is 30096. Okay, 30096. Okay, so there's some change in timing again. So I need to update here. So 30096. 30096. Okay, and my next video is 3130. Okay, 3130. Okay, so I need to find the midpoint of the videos. So so in between these, the middle frame, I'll whip out my calculator. Okay, so 130 minus 96. Okay, divide by 2, so 17 plus 96. So around the midpoint is around 113. Yeah, simple calculation. I still need my calculator. I know, right? Okay, so I found the midpoint between the two video, V1 and V2. So, so for me, normally I will use 500 millisecond fade out, then another 500 millisecond to fade in from the second video. So it will be the total transition will be 1 second. So so my start time, okay, so since the middle, my for video one, uh you end over here around here, so 500 millisecond, which is around 29 seconds. And okay, you see without calculator, start to, should be this one, plus 5 11. Okay, correct. Okay, never mind. You all will do the maths yourself, okay? And after that, V2, right, we'll start from here, and uh, uh, yeah, plus another 500 millisecond. So we can add this. You see, without any professional editor, you need to do your own maths calculation, okay? So the good thing about using free software, you can improve your maths. Okay. Uh, okay, so what's next? How can we add in the fade in, fade out, right? Okay, before that, right, let's before I forget, let's remember to change our output format to MP4 as usual. And if you remember the last video, I uncheck this, the rest leave it as blank, uncheck, okay, and okay. And to add in, fade out, for the video output, we select MP4. Okay, this one is MPEG 4 AVC, which is MP4, and X264, the codec. This is the MP4 codec that is closest to most of the MP4. Okay, so this one, and configure, normally I'll leave it as default. Don't touch unless you really know what you are doing. For me, the quality at 20, right, is the bit rate will be around the same. So later we'll take a look at the bit rate being exported out. I did not change this. I'm too lazy to slowly tune in one by one. I have set to zero high quality before, and and the file is really very huge. It's gigabyte, which I don't really want. I'm a poor boy, so I don't have a lot of hard disk space. So leave it as default. 20 will be good enough. Anyway, you will be uploading to YouTube, so the quality is already further compressed. So just leave it as default. And to add in, fade out, just uh, click on the filters. As you can see, you can start playing with lots of things. So without my further tutorial, you know what to do, right? Like change the frame, FPS, all those stuff. Yeah, I'm still testing on the add logo, but for this video, let's focus on the fade in, fade out. So for me, I use the fade to black, so you're totally flat, fade to the black screen. After that, fade in again. So you will have the close eye effect. So when you are looking in the VR headset, the audience will, as if they close eyes and open their eyes, it will be the next scene. So uh, first we'll fade out. Yeah, the first video will slowly fade out to black. So whip out the first video, which is this 29613. So 29613, and then this one will be 00, 30, and 113. 113. Okay, correct. Okay, then you add again. This time is fade in from the next video. So fade in 30, 113, and then 30. Oops, I need to set this one to 00 first, 30, and 613, and okay. And you can preview over here, click on preview, so you can change your settings further on. So it's around 30. So let me scroll towards that. Okay, and I click play, and fade out, and then fade in. So close eye, open eyes. Yeah, okay, perfect. And I click OK and close. And if you come over here, right, if you see, you go to the frame again, right, around 30 seconds, and you click play, and you'll see that, eh, my fade in, fade out is missing. Don't worry, okay. Uh, by default, right, AV Dmax will show the input video without filter. So if you want to see the filter one, you need to click on toggle this button, play the filter. So you play the filter and go to 30 seconds again and play. And you can see the effect. So maybe I move further ahead first. Okay, so too sudden. So you can do your changes more, right? You can continue twitch to the transition you want. Okay, yeah, slowly fade in, fade out. Okay, just the way I want. So I'll stop. I'll just click save, and this time I will put as VR180. Okay, uh, fade. Okay, fade. Okay, and I quit. Oh, fade demo. Okay, I quit save, and you'll start encoding. So as MP4, okay, output as MP4. Oh no, it's not responding. Okay, okay. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so you can see, right, the timing is much slower compared to the previous tutorial I teach you. You copy and you append and everything copy, right, is much faster, right? So this one, they re-render the whole video again to have your filter inside. But I think it's worth it because, right, the transition by having a fade in, fade out transition, right, uh, the your audience who are watching the video on the VR headset, right, you will be smoother. So it won't be like a sudden change of scene to them. So let me fast forward the process. All right, almost finished. Yes. So I fast forward the video and render is finally complete. Yes, success. So compared to copy, right, re-rendering, of course, will take more time. So depends on your processor. If you have slower processor, right, just copy and don't do any fanciful stuff, right? Okay, so I have closed my AV marks. Let's take a look at the video that we have outputted. Okay, uh, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is the original video, the raw one. So let's take a look at the details. Take note of the bit rate, and let's also take a look at the merge video that we done in the previous tutorial. And let's take a look at the fake. This is the fake demo. Okay, so the one that we re-render. Okay, so I minimize this and this. Let's focus on these three videos. Okay, so the first one is the raw one, and the second one is the first tutorial where I just copy, and the third one is the one that I re-render, the one that I add in the fade in, fade out. So you see the resolution is all the same. So you using this workflow, right, you can edit 5.7K video or even more. I'm not sure if you have a camera that is more. If you have camera that can record higher resolution, I think you have the money to buy a professional editor. Okay, and if you see copy everything, the audio is the same because we copy. And as you can see, right, for re-render, the bit rate drop by a bit. Okay, then just a bit. So it's not a much difference. The quality, I take a look, is still almost the same, so it's okay. Okay, so bitrate almost the same, so just leave it as default so it's easier for you. And after that, as usual, what you must do, you have the video, right? This video, yes, you need to go back to your VR180 creator. And I realize VR180 creator you also can run with NVIDIA processor. And yeah, so if you see, yeah, so you see my GPU activity is VR180 is there, and prepare to prepare for publishing. Just uh, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop the VR180 fake demo, and drag over here. Leave everything as default and export out. Okay, done. It's always very fast. Just injecting the so merge VR demo, so you can see it's now 180 format. Nice. And as usual, just drag over to the YouTube and upload it. Yeah, upload to YouTube. You'll be identified as VR180 video. All right. So as usual, check out the description whereby there's link on uh, how does this video turn out to be, so before you decided to start on this workflow. And there's also a playlist showing all my VR180 video. Yeah. And do remember to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I can share more tutorial while I explore more filters. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.